Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Yash and today we will learn how to add tab bar functionality to your app. Tab bars are a great way to organize your app. One of the best example of tab bar is phone app on our iPhones. So the thing you see at the bottom is called a tab bar. You see like 5 options here, but in today's tutorial we will just do 3. So we will have a favorites, recent and context, and we will have a label on each of the screen and we will change it from their respective Swift files. So let's get started. I'll open up my Xcode, create a new Xcode project, single view app, and here I'll say awesome tab bar. Next, and make sure interface is storyboard and language is Swift, and create wherever you like. First thing first, I'll deselect landscape left and landscape right, and I'll make it full screen. Click here and make sure this square thing is selected. Click here, editor, and you will say embed in tab bar controller, and bam, now you have a tab bar application. I'll make it full screen, change this to 12 Pro, change this, oops, we don't want Google Chrome. Go back to the Xcode, and here we will change it to 12 Pro as well, and it's 12 Pro. Close that, and let's do some arranging. Let's bring this at the bottom right here, and here I'll say first I'll add a label so that we can copy this controller for other 2 controllers, and I'll make sure it's big enough. Let's place it in the center, and let's make some changes to our font. So I'll do custom Avenir next. This is going to be demi bold and size is 25. Hit enter, and of course it is center aligned. So click this icon and you will say you know what, click here, say Command C and Command V, and 2 more times. So we will have this and this. Okay, so if you notice a difference, you see this line which connects this, and you see 1 item here, but we don't have that line for this 2 controllers. So you might think you'll do control drag from each controller, but that doesn't work. You have to do it other way around. So you will control drag from the tab bar controller and click here, and we need a relationship, so it's going to be a view controller, and that's that. And connect this. Okay, we are good. So we need 2 more view controllers. First of all, let's go ahead and rename this. So I'll do this, refactor, rename, and we will say it's supposed to be favorite VC, enter, and let's create a new Swift file. It's going to be a CocoaTouch class, and this is going to be recent VC, and next, and create, and we will have contact VC. So I'll create new file, this, and we'll say contacts VC, and next, create. Okay, we have 3 files now. So the way you assign file to a view controller is you select this, you go to identity inspector, which is this icon, click here, and as you see, favorite VC is already connected. So let's go ahead and change the icon first. So we will change this and go back to attribute inspector and system item. We will say favorites here. For the next one, let's select recent, and we will assign identity class name to the file. So it is going to be recent VC, and make sure you hit enter, otherwise it will not assign. And let's go back to the last view controller and this, and we will change this to contacts. So first make sure this is selected, and here we will say contacts VC and hit enter, and we need to assign the icon. So we will say this, and we will say contacts, and let's run the app and see how it looks. We still need to worry about the labels, but we'll work on that later. So app is loading, still loading, and yep, it does work. So we just need to modify the labels. So let's go ahead and make the necessary connections. I'll click here, go to Assistant Editor, close this, we don't need that. So I'll click, I'll go here, this is the first one. So you see favorite VC here, and control drag this label, and we'll say display LBL connect. We'll do the same thing for the second view controller. Make sure it's recent VC, control drag, and we'll say display LBL, and we'll do the same thing for our third view controller, and it should be context VC, and we will say display LBL connect, and we are done with the connections. So let's jump to favorite VC and take this out. We will say display label.text, and we will just say favorite VC. Just copy this, and we will go to recent VC and just paste it here, and we'll say this is recent, save, go to contacts and paste it again, and this is going to be our contacts. Okay, let me go ahead and run the app, and you can see, so the reason we connected all the stuff and created new files is this is like a basic bootstrap, so you can create your own tab bar controllers, and you know how to connect the logic file, the Swift file, to their respective view controllers. So that's why we did that. And you click recent, you see recent, contact, favorite. So that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comment, you can post them in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, and please subscribe for future videos. I'll see you guys next time.